Woman, let me be a woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be.
What's up, you guys? It is your girl Natalie back with another video. Today we're going to attempt to put all this hair into a slick back ponytail. I bought a ponytail from INH. I got it the other day, but I had it on the couch and my husband sat on it. Anyway, this is the ponytail. It's pretty long. I'll have all the hair details either on the screen or in the description. So yeah, this is the ponytail, and it's not the color of my hair. I should have got jet black. This would be my second time wearing a ponytail. I only got a ponytail installed in my hair many years ago, and the install was by Hair by Pretty. I haven't had a ponytail in my head since, so I'm going to attempt it on myself. So let's get, yeah, I don't know if I want to have this high. I think I want to have it this high. Yeah, or do I want to have it higher? I'm gonna just do it this high because it's my second time doing a ponytail and I don't know what goes what with me. So let's do it like that. I have to take my wedding band off so I don't get stuff in it. Alright, we're going in with some Gorilla Snot. Can this don't be focusing? Oh, there we go. Oh, I forgot to show you my brush. This little small brush. Crazy how I got grays now. If you guys can see, I have grays along the edges of my head, but it's okay. I'm gonna embrace my I'm definitely gonna embrace my grays. I'm not one of the ones that's gonna keep dyeing my hair. I mean, it's the process of getting old. You just start to get grays, and sometimes grays look good, and so why not? We grow up with the older generation that, once you start to get grays, you gotta immediately dye your hair so you don't look old. But I'm 31. The fact that I made it this far is a blessing, Alright, let me make this ponytail a little tighter. I mean, I wasn't gonna put a fucking ponytail. You know what? Let me see if I could use my husband's brush. Even I've been using it. It's a little harder. They said harder brushes ain't good for your hair. This is just for this one time. I normally use this on like my my wigs. I mean, yeah. Alright. Maybe I should have just had a professional do this shit. I feel like this ponytail ain't gonna be good, but we're gonna make it as good as possible. Come on, get in there. Fuck, this is why I don't like doing my hair. Fucking arms hurt and shit. It's like a fucking arm workout. Alright. Alright, so we're going to add a little more, like to the edges and stuff. Listen, like I already see, this ain't gonna be perfect, but gonna make it work. I can already sense this fucking band is gonna break. I can already feel it. God, I hope I don't break, because that recoil will be hurting. Oh, you can still see that hump right there. That's the best I can do. Okay, let's wrap this girl up. We'll do our best. Okay. It's the best I can do. Got a little bobby pin. This bitch is about to get big again. Alright, let me take off these. This is so unsanitary of me, but whatever. Alright. This is how we're looking, right? Let me go ahead and do my edges. Or should I put the ponytail on? No, we'll just do the edges. I don't know how to do edges good, so we're gonna make do with what we can. Not bad. All right, we're getting somewhere. All right, so the good thing is that they give us bobby pins too, because I only have like 3 left, I think. All right, so the hair is nice, a little tangly. I don't know, maybe if I wet it, I'm gonna wet it a little. Use the detangling brush. All right, so most of the, if I can run my fingers through it, it's good. The hair is really soft though. Is it human hair? I don't know. I don't think I read enough about it. Okay. All right, so this is how it looks. It has a clip. And it also has this, so like when you wrapping your hair around. So let's do it. So, you know what? Just to kind of keep it out the way, so like when I wrap it, I'm gonna put it in a ponytail. All right, so this is how it's looking, so that way I could put it on. So here goes nothing. You know what, I should put it on like this. No, I have to see. Oh shit. Ah shit. Fuck. I don't forgot it came in Velcro. That shit got stuck to my head. Ooh, when that bitch gets stuck to your head, it's not fun. All right, so how the fuck? So does it just get like wrapped around? Hold on. All right, now, bitch, and this shit gets stuck to your hair. All right, so, or do I put it on the ponytail? All right, this ain't gonna work because I can still see the Velcro. All right. All right, you guys, so what I'm gonna do now, because in order for it to attach to the ponytail, my hair can't be in a bun. So I'm gonna braid my hair, so in the ponytail, and then see what happens. I'm not a good braider, which is why I'm gonna take some braiding lessons, because your girl is not good at this, because this bitch is thick. Or maybe my hair is just thick as hell. It's the reason why I wanna relax it. It's just so annoying, honestly. Okay, we're going to try it like this. Take 3, I guess. I'm not going to be able to get this shit around, y'all. Ah, this shit is like so aggravating. Like, this shit's like pulling my hair. fuck. Like, they want it to be as, how the fuck is my hair gonna fit in that? Take 4. I just don't understand. My hair is like thick as fuck. No, this ain't gonna work. Alright, so I finally got it wrapped around. So now I'm gonna wrap this piece around tightly. Can you see my... No, not really. So let's take this out. Let's just see. Let me fix this. Alright guys, this is the final look. Alright INH. When you figure out how to like install the ponytail, then it's like easy after that. But this is my first time ever doing a slick back. Well, semi-slick, cause this bitch ain't slick. Back ponytail. And I really love how it looks on me. The next time I'm gonna try their clip-ins, so I could do like the half up, half down. I've never done that either. If I did, it was probably when I was like in middle school. I'm 31. I don't remember that far back, but you know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go put on some clothes and go take some pictures for the gram. I haven't been taking pictures. I actually have not been feeling my prettiest, so I'm glad to be back in action. So I'm gonna go make use of this look and go take some pictures. So make sure you guys follow my Instagram to see some updated pictures of me, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.
Woman, let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. Let me be your